Hi guys, today's motivation is based on Messi. The way Messi's career have been never able to win anything for Argentina. I think that's the biggest learning you can have as a student. So same way, the way Messi's performance was not there. So if I give you a layman example from the cricket arena, let's imagine Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli's performance in IPL, yeah, he might be world's best player, but in IPL his performance is not that great, or he is not able to win an IPL title. Same way the Messi was being said that he only plays for Barcelona, this and that. He have proved everyone wrong. Same way your mock scores might go up or down, but end of the day you have to just stay in. So I'll show you some of the failures of Messi and then we look at the success stories. Let's look at the disappointments here of in the Copa America Cup and the World Cup, both of them. So World Cup finals, Germany lost to Argentina 0-1. Then Copa America 2015, that is 2014, 2015, Argentina lost to Chile in penalty corners. 2016 again Argentina lost to Chile in corners in penalty. Sorry, World Cup 2018 they lost to France again. For Copa America semi-final, they lost to Brazil 2-0. So all these things were piling up on him, and he was being touted as he's not fit to lead the country, this and that. But the title finally yesterday, winning of the Copa America was final nail in the coffin for everyone who says bad about Messi. So same way, your mock scores, your family, your friends might not be supporting you. Yeah, your academic record might be going against you, but all you have to do is stay focused till the end. Same way, let's turn our failures into victory. Let's make everyone stop. And finally, he was picked up by all his colleagues. Yeah. So let's do it. So it's our time now to make a comeback. हर बंदे की लाइफ में नेगेटिविटी आई थी, सैडनेस आई थी because of this and that, but I think let's work hard, and that's biggest message we can get from the Messi story. All the best.